My little home taste of Spain. Got me little flag flying above my garage. Look at that baby. Reminding me of my happy place. Hasta pronto España, hasta pronto. Today we are riding single speed. They've got these new additions. These are pipe cleaners. Actually match the bike. So what happens is as the wheel turns, they clean your hull. Front and back. Naranja. Orange. What on the bike? I'm just going to quickly show you my new beast, or a teaser. So there's my faithful Gotway Nikolai, and under here is my new one wheel. You can't see it yet though, and I'll explain why very shortly. I'm going to meet up with Mark, and we're going to a festive annual pilgrimage to the German market. So I'll see you in a bit for the schnitzels, yeah. That wind's got a right cold bite in it today. Oh, it hasn't really stopped raining most of the week. Perfect timing. Hi Mark. Yeah baby. This is where Mark's got the advantage. I'm like one gear, no idea, a hamster in a wheel, pedaling my nuts off. So without further ado, let's begin now.
Let's begin now.
Street certified
Yep.
worldwide. Live from Kingston, Jamaica right now. Beat him on. Rock City, St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. We coming. That's Greg Street. That's certified worldwide.
This is one reason why I didn't bring my EUC brand new today. It would have got dirty. You can't have that. Plus the clamp down now in Birmingham with PEVs. Deliveroo.com. First challenge. Single speed. Oh, pedal clip. But we're on it. And it's super slippy on these bricks. I've only got skinny Lizzie tyres. Leaning in gently. And back on track. Ivan and John have gone to Birmingham today on their one wheel, so might bump into them in a bit. Be good to catch up. You got this! Was that your good hand? Under the M5. I had to push up there. No chance single speed. Rejoining the towpath again. Last two times I've done this, I've clipped my handlebars. Medicos, S-Listo, medics are ready. There we go, all clear. About halfway. Jingle all the way. Marvellous acoustics in here. Thank you. Yeah. All the way. All the way to Brum. Okay. Showing Mark Anubis. Single speed climb. Yeah, go up and over. Not this. No, you've got to go the other side. So we're on a canal here. Aqueduct. Just come from that way. I'm going to go round and rejoin. Showing Mark some new bits today. Amazing. Look who's here. We're going a different way. Oh. If you go past and come back. John! There goes Ivan, catching John up. Quick hello. We saw them. We'll carry on. This is like back in the day canals, this is. Yeah. See the heron on the right just flying off?
You weren't very happy with this.
No. Fucking hell, this, I didn't realise it was this Rutigo. Sniper routes. I'd never come this way on my one wheel. That's what she said. Peaky Blinders territory. Oh yeah, right on the bridge here. He's thinking, what are you doing disturbing my fishing? Concentrate on the bath, we might be in. Having a bath on Sunday. Right, lad, see, he's gonna set my soul. He's gonna set my soul on fire. I'll tell you how much. Oh. Do you know that? So bienvenido. See, all the Christmas lights are up, ready for the big switch on, I'm guessing. Alimentos y bebidas. Food and drinks, quite. It's amazing, isn't it? Nice to see the poppies as well. Yeah, because last year the Mexican hat thing broke, didn't it? And people were injured. There's nobody on the carousel. It's spinning for no reason. Oh, the ice rink's in now, all working. Cool. Look up that car park. That looks like that's armed to the hilt, doesn't it, that? He's brave. Right, we should be able to drop down this bit. I know. Oh. Skills McGills. Here we are at the mailbox with the bagpipes. Amazing. That way. Let's go. Scoochy, scoochy. This is where we are written naughty. Hey, reflection. Come on, Mark. You feel I get in trouble, so do you. A night in the cellar, in the slammer. Yeah, I came this way before. That's what she said. Should be able to scooch through to the car park. Here we go. Oh, we're so naughty. I've got somebody to be naughty with me today. My bike. Partner in crime. And when you're out on the trails, it's partner in crime. Right, we're going to go to the lift and we'll go up into the shopping centre. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Come on. I've always wanted to show you this. The lift will be here in a second. Level 2. Oh, you thought you'd never be doing this on a Sunday bike ride?
What pulse is this on?
I can't believe you did that. It's so naughty. Is there anyone? It is posh, isn't it? Very posh. And there's the cube over there. On it like a car bonnet. Oh. Bit of a magical mystery tour. That's the way we're going in a minute, Mark. See all the Christmas decks? Yeah, we'll go this way. Last time you could ride round in there, but obviously they've got security on now. That way goes to Worcester. Yeah. And we'll head back up towards the German market. Clackety clack. Whee! German Macaro, here we come. Well, it looks like the German market's in full swing for 2025. Viente Finco. Let's go and have a look. Oh, these are new. These don't normally have these raised platform areas. It's heaving on the line. Let's just scooch you through. Psychos! Pick a route. Premium Rush. copyright claim. Mark. He didn't take the same line. Didn't check Trafalgar. Starbs to the left if you can, or I mean, I'm just going to follow you. I'll be your sheep today. Bah. Certainly not as many stalls as normal, is there? Right. Oh, I'll try to go in. Cool. That's a good idea. Marshmallows. Easy does it. Thank you. Probably get a copyright claim on this because of the music in the background. Try and talk over it. That's the tram. It's right, isn't it? Don't want to disappear down these little grooves. Somebody's dropped their octopusy. I still keep going to change gear, it's hilarious. Yeah, octopus energy. Here we go, psychos. Right in front of the filth. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Every time. Gabrons. There's the Christmas tree. Tail end of the market. Bit of flamenco guitar. There's the feds. That's a fast car, that is. And we start the journey for coffee. Oh, hello, hello, hello. You move. No, you move.
Just stand in the middle.
Oh no, look at Tonto Capron. I'll bleep that bit out.
You're welcome.
They're out in force today, aren't they? And leaving the big smoke. Oh, probably about 200 foot of elevation today, that's it. As you do. Okay, heading for a coffee at Greg's. Drop a left here, can't we? And Scoochie McScoochison. Dropping in. Lovely. Heading back. You having a giraffe? Oh. Hey, pole position. Nice bit of scooching. I fought the law and the law won. Watch out for that. See, check your balancing skills now. Oh yeah, lovely. We have arrived at Greg's for coffee. Left your lunchbox here. Oh, it's full of water. There he is, getting the drinks. Top man. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Greg. Hey, we're trying a different way now. Alternative route. This is our alternative route, which I am trying. And I think. Say again. No, I've just done a bit of investigating and it should kick us out onto the metro. There you go. How about that? So this is that other way I was on about coming back. Yeah, straight onto the metro. Oh yes. Concentrate. Just cuts out a chunk. Head back this way now. West Brom. Off to Wolverhampton Village. Dropping past the back end of West Brom and the back end of Mark. Looks like they've had a load of new gravel put down, doesn't it? Soak up the toilets. Yeah, definitely. Definitely a bit cooler. Oh yeah. Dodge that one. Plain chicken. Last crossing, officially. It looks like they changed to green automatically, doesn't it? So they don't have to wait. Yeah. Edgbaston Village, lol. Choo-choo. Have a look, see what progress has happened with the metro line from Birmingham Wolverhampton to Merry Hill Dudley. Sounds like they're working. Oh yeah, that's towards Wolverhampton Birmingham, and that is towards Merry Hill Dudley. Wow, looking good. I reckon another 18 months, 2 years definitely. Hopefully there'll be a cycle track along it like there is from West Brom area. Okay, heading back now along a bit more canal through Bilston, Rocket Hall, etc, etc, and up and down and up and down. Tyne Valley Canal and up and down. Back on the canal. Oh, I feel this on a rigid bike. Didn't get these big bars through here. Oh, only just. Okay, leaving the canal, heading back. Oh, face full of branch. Yeah. Fallen tree. Anyway, anyway, guys, hope you've enjoyed today's ride. Festive ride out to Birmingham. Say bye, Mark.
Bye for now.
Hasta pronto. Don't forget to click the ding dong. Give us a thumbs up. Ciao, guys. Bye.
And all we wanna do is get by today.
Come on.